तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
हाथ जुड़कर रहते हैं तो प्रणाम बन जाते हैं। संकल्पों की पूर्ण वेदी पर सभी काम बन जाते हैं। अगर आत्मा रहे निरंतर मन के मानस के संग में तो पर पीड़ा पीने वाले स्वयं राम बन जाते हैं। Namaste and very good morning to all of you. I am Nitya Ganatra. Welcome you all in TGS Morning Assembly. Today is 20th April 2021 અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે ચૈત્ર સુદ આઠમ છે. As we all know, the Chaitri Navratri is going on. That leads to the celebration of the birth of Lord Rama. Lord Rama was the embodiment of truth, love and sacrifice. He was the role model of the perfect human being. Lord Rama was also known as Maryada Purushottam, the Lord of self-control. So now let's begin our prayers and awaken the indwelling Lord Rama within us to uplift our consciousness.
कष्ट भंजन महाबली प्रभु श्री राम के परम भक्त हनुमान जी महाराज, जिनके मुख पे तेज रहता है, जिनके हृदय में हमेशा प्रभु श्री राम की छवि बसी रहती है, जिनके दर्शन मात्र मंगलकारी है, ऐसी ही सुंदर स्तुति मंगल मूर्ति प्रस्तुत करते हैं। जय श्री राम।
राम लखन सीता हनुमत सिया।
बसिया
शरण पड़ेगा लीजोया
शरण पड़ेगा लीजो जा
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे
आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे
आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे
हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण
हे महावीर करो कल्याण
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे
Hello and good morning once again. I don't know why, but I feel very amazing today. Let me explain why. Hinduism relates important ideas and concepts with goddesses. Ma Lakshmi with dhan or money, Ma Saraswati with vidya or knowledge, Ma Durga with shakti or power, Ma Annapurna with anna or food, and so on. Now imagine. No, I'm not kidding. Please imagine. It will help you. Now imagine that we combine both the ideas that Ma Saraswati and Ma Lakshmi respectively represent, which are knowledge and money. Imagine that we combine both these ideas. We know the power of money, we know the power of knowledge. But when we combine them, we get the knowledge of money, or which we today call as financial literacy. And that will be the topic for today's assembly. Now we are not going to go deep into this vast topic. We'll just cover the basics. So enjoy. Today our assembly is going to be divided into 4 pillars. Oh, sorry, 5 pillars. And now my excitement can't wait. So I'm disclosing the ideas now. Please pay attention. Idea 1, income. Idea 2, savings. Idea 3, expenditure. Idea 4, investments. And idea 5, fun. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to present these ideas with a lot many examples, quotes and fun. So stay tuned because we are now going to dive right in to the first topic, income.
What is income?
Income is money received, especially on a regular basis from work.
No boy, not from Google. Something in your own words.
Oh, sorry. The money you receive from a daily routine of work is known as income. Something like the salary of a worker or the profit of a businessman or the pocket money received by a child who reluctantly performed chores just like me. Now all of you viewers might be wondering that why are we discussing income? Even if you are not wondering, I'll just explain it, being the little bookworm that I am. Income, after all, is the reason why all the other three facets of financial literacy even exist. Without income, there would be no expenditure, no savings, which would result in no profit and no loss. Income is the fuel on which the industry of finance runs.
जीवन सुखी बनेगा जब तुम एक बात अपनाओगे, सीखो बचत अभी से करना वरना फिर पछताओगे। प्रतिदिन नियमित मेहनत कर कर उज्जवल धन संपत्ति कमाओ, इसका एक बड़ा सा हिस्सा नित्य नियम से सदा बचाओ। छोटी छोटी इसी बचत से एक दिन ठाकुर बन जाओगे, सीखो बचत अभी से करना वरना फिर पछताओगे।
जो बच गया वही है अपना, जो कुछ गया बन गया सपना। जीवन के इस दुर्गम पथ पर सपना कभी हुआ है अपना। बचत तुम्हारी अच्छी है तो चाहोगे वह पाओगे, सीखो बचत अभी से करना वरना फिर पछताओगे। तुम भी सब कुछ कर सकते हो, तुम भी आगे बढ़ सकते हो। बचत करो फिर शिक्षा लेकर, तुम अधिकारी बन सकते हो। बचत ऐसा मंत्र है, जानो जग को समझाओगे, सीखो बचत अभी से करना वरना फिर पछताओगे।
Warren Buffett said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving." This is the best advice to avoid insolubility. Savings are the ultimate source of emergency funds and can also serve as auxiliary incomes if invested. Saving an amount as small as ₹100 per day means 3,000 a month, 36,000 a year, and 3.6 lakh over a decade. You can pay for your own educational expenses if you start investing daily.
Now, before we move on, clarifying that all the topics in this assembly are placed thoughtfully and chronologically. And savings always comes before expenditure. And as we all know that expenditure is the amount of income that we all use to satisfy our basic needs and certain luxuries. It's what we spend or expend. If the prices go up, your expenditure increases, then it may cause many financial issues in the long term. That is why we should save before spending. What we usually perceive as an equation for healthy finance is income minus expenditure equals savings, when it rather should be income minus savings equals expenditure. Setting a goal for it helps a lot. You can set a goal for saving each month and spending each month. Expenditure, if less, then fine, but if more, then limit it. Check whether it doesn't exceed your target. Remember, a new PUBG skin or funky orange shoes for show off won't help you in the long term. So, focus on your money on more important needs of life, and healthy life should be round the corner.
Earlier, my friend said that savings are important. And he was right, but only partially, because savings are meaningless, worthless, without the X factor of investment. I tried to explain this investment through the example of inflation. But first, what is inflation and what does it mean? Let's try to find out using this short video.
What is inflation? Mehengai or inflation is one of the most common refrains heard across the country. So what is inflation? Inflation is the rise in the prices of goods and services. These can be of daily or common use items such as food, clothing, housing, recreation, transport, consumer staples, or even industrial goods. Inflation means the average price rise over time. The opposite and rare fall in prices is called deflation. Inflation indicates a fall in purchasing power That is, for instance, a 100 rupee note buys lesser amounts of the same commodity over a period of time. Inflation is measured in percentage. What are the effects of inflation? The purchasing power of the currency falls as goods and services get costlier. When inflation is high, the cost of living gets higher as well. Beyond a reasonable level, inflation ultimately hurts economic growth. A certain level of inflation is required in the economy to promote expenditure, encourage the production of goods and services, and to demotivate hoarding money in savings. As money generally loses its value over time, it is important for people to invest the money. Investing ensures the economic growth of a country. Who measures and controls inflation in India? In India, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation measures inflation. Country's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, works to limit inflation within a band through its monetary policy by using tools such as the repo rate. The government also influences inflation through its taxation and fiscal policy. Higher MSPs on agricultural products, taxes on petrol and diesel, or even clothes can lead to rise in inflation. A cut leads to a fall in inflation. So how is inflation measured? In India, inflation is primarily measured by two main indices: WPI, or the Wholesale Price Index, and CPI, Consumer Price Index. WPI and CPI respectively measure wholesale and retail level price changes. CPI measures the rise in prices of commodities and services such as food, medical care, education, electronics, etc., which consumers buy for end use. On the other hand, WPI captures the goods or services sold by businesses to smaller businesses for selling further. What are the main causes of inflation? Some of the major reasons behind inflation or rise in prices are high demand and low supply of goods. This creates a demand-supply gap which leads to hike in prices. Excess circulation of money. This leads to inflation as money loses its purchasing power. With people having more money, they also tend to spend more, which causes increased demand. For example, if more people want to buy tomatoes, then the tomato price will rise. Spurt in cost of production causes inflation. For example, soap and shampoo prices may rise if the chemicals used in making these get costlier. This is called cost-push inflation. Is inflation bad for everyone? Inflation need not always be bad. Economists believe some inflation is necessary for economic growth. However, beyond a limit, inflation hurts both consumers and economic growth. Inflation also has an impact on the assets you hold. For someone with investments in real estate or stocked commodity, inflation means that the prices of their assets are set for a hike. Those who possess cash may be adversely affected by inflation as the value of their cash erodes. So governments and central banks work towards controlling inflation in an ideal range.
Now that you've understood what inflation is, let's get back to the topic of investment and try to look at it through the lens of inflation. Let's take an example, shall we? Say you want to buy a car that costs 10 lakh rupees in the present day, and so you begin saving, and you work diligently and you amass 10 lakh rupees over the course of 10 years. Now all seems good, but there's a problem there. And the problem lies in the fact that over the decade that has passed, the price of that car will have doubled. It would have increased exponentially, and those savings of yours, those 10 lakhs, they are basically worthless. But now let's imagine the same 10 lakh rupees invested for 10 years in a bank at, say, a compound interest rate of 8% per annum, and you will see that this amount actually doubles. It becomes 20-21 lakhs over the course of 10 years at this interest rate. And now as you increase this interest rate, probably 10%, 12%, 20%, you suddenly find out the success mantra of all the Ambanis and Adanis of the world. Just compounding. It has immense potential.
एक बार एक कवि हुआ करता था। उसकी माली हालत इतनी खराब हुई कि घर में खाने के लाले पड़ गए। इसी कारण उसने महल में जाकर राजा से मदद मांगने का फैसला किया। राजा के बुलाए जाने पर उसने अपनी कविताएं पढ़नी शुरू कर दी।
वाह 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 वाह।
राजा बहुत प्रसन्न हुआ और उसने कवि से अपना इनाम मांगने के लिए कहा। कवि ने मोहरों से सजे शतरंज की ओर इशारा करते हुए कहा, महाराज, अगर आप पहले खाने में चावल का एक दाना रखें और हर खाने के लिए उसे दुगना करते जाएं, तो मैं समझूंगा मुझे मेरा इनाम मिल गया।
बस इतना ही?
राजा ने पूछा।
सिर्फ चावल का एक दाना और सोना नहीं?
जी हाँ महाराज।
तो फिर ऐसा ही हो।
दरबारियों ने चावल के दाने रखने शुरू कर दिए। पहले खाने में 1, दूसरे में 2, तीसरे में 4, चौथे में 8। इस तरह वो रखते गए। जब 10वें खाने में चावल रखने की बारी आई तो उन्हें चावल के 512 दाने रखने पड़े। 20वें खाने तक संख्या बढ़कर 5,24,288 हो गई। आधे हिस्से तक आते आते 32वें खाने में चावल के दानों की गिनती 214,74,83,648 हो गई। जल्द ही गिनती अरबों खरबों में बढ़ गई। आखिरकार अभागे राजा को अपना पूरा राजपाट उस चतुर कवि के हाथों सौंपना पड़ा और इसकी शुरुआत चावल के सिर्फ एक दाने से हुई थी।
Now this investment can be professionally done in multiple places. It can be done in gold, in commodities, real estate, stock market. You can invest in mutual funds. You can invest basically in any place in the world. And if you want some professional investment tips, according to us at this group, technology is the future. But you don't need to be a professional maestro at stock markets or a stock broker to actually talk about investment, because investment starts at a very young age. Even today, savings accounts in India are offering simple compound interest rates. And investment should not be limited to only money, because investing time, investing efforts to exponentially increase the yields is also a very great part of financial literacy. In the end, as Warren Buffett once said, and very rightly said, if you don't find a way to earn money while you sleep, you will have to work until you die. So as we depart today, one last line of wisdom, that's the most important part of whatever I said today. Mutual funds investments are subject to market risks, and read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Our assembly has now come to an end. But always remember that the financial literacy you get now will always benefit you in the long term. Who knows, the next billionaire might be watching this assembly. Now, we did not discuss the intricacies of assets, liabilities, equities, stock market, etc. because the focus was just on the basics. This assembly was not about complex transactions, just about the notion that everyone, right from a child to a pensioner, must know the basic skill of money management. Start out small by managing tiny expenses, saving, and then probably investing with the help of your parents. Because knowing this is the first step from moving to EMI to who am I. But always remember, great things take time. Interest doesn't double the principal in an instant. Give it time. Stay patient. Be bold and all will be well. With that, we take leave from all of you. Goodbye to all the future Shivnadas and Uday Kotaks of the world. Have a great day ahead.
दुर्लभम भारते जन्म। सही में भारत में जन्म मिलना ही सबसे दुर्लभ बात होती है। भारत एक संस्कृत शब्द है जिसका अर्थ ही उसकी महत्ता को ध्वनित करता है। भा यानी तेज, प्रकाश और सौंदर्य, रत यानी लीन और मग्न, जो अपने देश के तेज प्रकाश और सौंदर्य को बढ़ाने के लिए सदैव तत्पर रहता है, उसे भारतीय कहा जाता है। इसी पवित्र भूमि पर भगवान श्री विष्णु के 10 अवतारों ने जन्म लिया। नर एवं नारी रत्नों ने हमारे चिरंतन सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों का रक्षण करने के लिए अपने प्राणों का बलिदान दे दिया। ऐसी बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा के हम वंशज हैं, इसका हमें गौरव होना चाहिए। अनेकता में एकता का प्रतीक रूप हमारा राष्ट्रगान, जो कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक हर एक भारतीय को एक सूत्र में बांध कर रखता है। तो आइए ऐसे वैभवशाली गौरवशाली देश की आन बान और शान को बरकरार रखने के लिए आइए गाते हैं राष्ट्रगान। असेंबली सावधान।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Assembly Vishram. Critical thinking encourages curiosity. Albert Einstein has rightly said that the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reasons for existing. Curiosity helps us to gain deeper understanding, whereas critical thinking reinforces our problem-solving ability. With this note, let's hear today's point to Sojo.
विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयात् ददाति पात्रतां पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोति धनात् धर्मं ततः सुखम। Namaste. We dedicate today's day to financial literacy for kids. And the Subhashit that I recited indicates the connection between Vidya and finances and happiness. How is happiness entirely dependent on Vidya? And generally people say we teach our children, we learn, we educate, we get educated to earn living, to make a living. But here's this little thing to think about, which is we just don't get educated to learn how to earn, but we also need to learn how to spend. So more essentially, rather than just learning how to earn, today's children need to be also taught how to spend. That is actually financial literacy. So income minus savings is equal to expenditure, and not income minus expenditure is equal to savings. That's what we learned today. Few more healthy financial health tips. Just like we have healthy eating tips, we also have healthy spending habits, healthy financial tips for children. What to do? Say no to impulsive purchasing. You're roaming out on the street and you see some good biscuits somewhere, you see some good sneakers anywhere, don't purchase that. Have a budget for your week, for your month, for your year, and adhere to the budget. That's how children learn planning. Second, do not ever give in to the peer pressure. If your friend is watching a flashy watch, you don't essentially need to invest in it, because that's wasting and not investing. Yeah, one more difference. What is investment? What is investing and what is wasting of money? One classic example. Buying a Maruti Suzuki car in 2003 for somewhere around rupees 50,000 or a little more than that, and compared to it, if you would have spent 50,000 in purchasing shares of Maruti Suzuki company, that car in 2021 would have been scrapped out. But those shares worth 50,000 would have now catapulted to 50 crore rupees. So invest wisely. Two things all the children should watch and read. One is a short film, One Idiot by Amol Gupte. and one book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, which all parents and students should read together. One last question that I'll leave you all with is, what if you could finance your own higher education with your own money if you would start investing wisely from today? Think over it. How would you invest? What would you do if I said after 10-15 years from now you could own an empire of 1 crore rupees? Do you think that's possible? If so, how? And if not, make it possible. Thank you.
According to Michael Jordan, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins the championship. Now, I would like to thank all the participants, tech team and the music team for their enormous efforts to make this assembly possible. सितारों को आंखों में महफूज रखना बड़ी देर तक राती रात होगी। मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, फिर किसी मोड़ पर मुलाकात होगी। by Bashir Badr Saab. Now I would like to invite our melodious music team to present the exit song. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
નમસ્તે. રામ નામનો મહિમા અપરંપાર છે. રામનું જીવન જ એક સંદેશ છે. રામના જીવનમાંથી આપને મર્યાદા, મિત્રતા, આદર્શ અને સરળતા શીખવા મળે છે. રામ આદિ છે, અનંત છે અને હનુમાનજીના સ્વામી પણ છે. રામનું નામ જ લેતા સમસ્ત દુઃખ અને પાપોનો નાશ થાય છે. તો પ્રસ્તુત છે સત, ચિત્ત અને આનંદ સ્વરૂપ પ્રભુ શ્રી રામના ગુણગાન ગાતી આ સ્તુતિ. જય રઘુનંદન, જય સિયારામ. નમસ્તે. जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
आदि राम, अनंत है राम.
आदि राम, अनंत है राम.
सतचित और अनंत है राम.
सतचित और अनंत है राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
हनुमान के स्वामी राम.
हनुमान के स्वामी राम.
दीनन के दुख हारी राम.
दीनन के दुख हारी राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
प्यारे जय सिया राम
जय सिया राम जय 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 जय सिया राम
जय सिया राम